Heavy rains continue to cripple Chennai and parts of Tamil Nadu in what is being called the worst rain in a century. All operations at Chennai airport have been stopped for rest of the day and 22 trains to and from Chennai have been cancelled. The army has been deployed in 2 suburban areas to undertake rescue on war footing. Next 10 and 12 hours are crucial for Chennai as the Indian Meteorological Department predicts heavy rains in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry for next 4 days.